London Beatmaker.
All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you're here, appreciate you for coming through. So today, what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and just freestyle a beat. You know, I really don't got no particular type of beat on my mind. I'm just gonna drop something. Feeling this piano, I figure I'll just do like a practice session. I'm gonna just practice the piano while making the beat. So I decided to let you guys watch. All right, check it out. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do something on the keys. I already got like an idea already. I'm gonna go ahead and drop that. And I'm just gonna freestyle something, see what I can come up with off this. It's like a little sound selection practice and keyboard practice. See what we come up with. So we're gonna do an 8-bar loop. One thing I don't understand is why the MPC doesn't capture the sustain pedal. So I gotta manually push the sustain up. I got the realistic velocity already, but not the sustain. All right, so we got that. That was actually piano off of the montage. So typically what I like to do when I'm doing like a recording off of the montage, I'm gonna go ahead and just record the first 16 bars so I can get that carryover, and then I just loop at bar 4 or bar 5. So first thing I'm gonna do is shrink this, come back. I'm gonna wanna double the length. And I'm gonna wanna come over to the audio track. Record it. All right, so now that I got that audio track, now I don't really need the MIDI. So I could take that MIDI and share it over some different, probably take this MIDI, mute it, but at the same time, I want to duplicate this track. So I'm going to duplicate this MIDI without the events, just so that I can continue to use the montage. I'm gonna unmute this one. So now I want to get something like a nice pad. I'm going to performances. I was going to live sets. Let's look up a pad. Okay, so we're gonna duplicate it, or we're gonna go ahead and drop those pads. Alright, I would have doubled it, but I might as well just do it like this, save some time. I'm gonna select I'm just gonna copy it, nudge it on. Got that in there now, so let me just do a couple of practice runs, see how I want to do this. So pretty much I'm just going to duplicate that, and then I add a little small variation at the end. I think I want to put that simple pattern in there. Sound pretty good, especially when I put a delay on it. I want to put a deep bass in here. I actually like this bass here. I just want to add some. I want to add some grit to it. sound pretty good to me. So I think from here, there's nothing left to do but add some drums. So I'm gonna drop a drum track in here. And let's see what type of drum roll we can play with. Looking like that's the beat. It might be that. I like it. You know, it's nice, chill, nice little practice.